All right, I got a small little ATV tire, and it's on a small rim here. This is a 8-inch rim. I can't get this off. A lot of times when these are older, you can't get these broken off. I actually have a tire machine. I can't even use the bead breaker to break this off. So what I'm doing is I'm using my truck here, and I'm just gonna have the truck run over the sidewall, and that's one way you can get these beads broken here. So it helps to have another driver, have someone else driving. So what I want to do, I don't want to run over the rim. I just want the tire to kind of come right across here, and it will should break that bead. So you want to make sure you take out the valve core out of the stem. The stem's on the other side. We're going to break both beads on both sides. So this is the back side. Okay, go ahead, go forward. So you have just kind of help hold it in place with my foot here. Oh, you see that right there? I just popped that bead right off. Okay, now we're going to pop the back bead off. All right, so again, take out the valve core, otherwise you'll explode the tire. So we're just gonna have it go right over the edge. Okay, go ahead, go reverse. All right, when it doesn't pop, like that side it didn't do, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn it kind of okay, go forward slowly. Okay, stop, hang on, stop right there. Go back a little bit. I need to reposition it. Okay, right there. I don't want to hit the rim with my truck tire. Okay, go ahead forward. It's close. All right. Might take a couple tries on each side here. Okay, go ahead and reverse. Okay, stop right there. Let's see how that. Okay, go back a little bit. Reverse a little bit. Oh yeah, got it. Hear that pop? All right, check that out. See how that bead's now broken off there? So now if you get some tire lube around there, you can get some tire spoons in there and get it off. I'm gonna put it on my tire machine, but this is an easy way to break the bead on these stubborn. Look at all the corrosion. See how there's corrosion all around the rim here? The longer these are, these have probably been on here for 7, 8, 9, 10 years maybe. They're just hard to get off if you don't have a lot of weight like a truck. So hopefully that helps if you're working on something like this. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Bye.